Hey guys, T here. Today we're going to revisit a project that I did a week or so ago. It's this Vise. It was build a Vise in 20 minutes. I got a note from a great subscriber, Russ Vnot, and Russ, sorry about the pronunciation of your name, but Russ said, "Hey, T, great video, but looks like to me that this Vise is going to split right here because all the grain's running this way." You know, I had thought about that a whole lot when I was making this Vise, but I got caught up in making a video and I thought, hey, I think it'll be just fine. Well, it hadn't split yet, but I think Russ is right. This boy's going to split. So let's look at another Vise design that you can build in 20 minutes as well. I've cut the parts already. There's only 3 parts. And it works like this. So the force of the Vise pushes against these 2 braces, and the braces are running absolutely counter to where the grain is. So I think that'll solve the problem that Russ pointed out. And hey, Russ, a shout out to you, and I'll leave a link to your site on my comments. So we're going to go drill the holes and make this 20-minute Vise as a revision. So take a look. Here we go. Well, the glue's dry, so let's take the clamps off and get to boring some holes. So this is the old Vise. This is the new one. We're going to use this one to line up the holes. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our bit and push it down here and carefully make a mark. Okay, let's mark it. Everything's square. Everything's lined up. We'll do the same thing over here. So we're going to just check on these. Let's look at the width. We seem to just be about a 1/16 off. So I'm still going to go with what's there because it works. So this will be the other side. So let's cut the holes. So we're going to drill 2 holes in our clamp backs so that we can attach them to the bench, the back of the bench. Get a little better view of what we're doing here. So there we go. Let's see if it fits. Works great. So that's our improved vise. With the two braces, I don't think this boy will split. So I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you will. Hit the bell to get a notification of when I put a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.